doing a race?
Yeah.
Your first woods race?
Yeah.
You nervous?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
You're on your husky?
Yeah. We'll beat up today. I'm sorry.
Load it up. See how this goes. Good job, dude! Good race, Dad. That's what I like. Let's go! My guy go down? Hayden! Pass him! Pass him! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, dude! Good job! Let's go! Let's go! Go, Hayden! Go! Go! Hey, pass him! Go, 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 go! Let's go! Let's go! Pass him! Go! Go! Pass him! Good job, dude! Good job! Go, dude! Good job, hey, you're done. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. You tired? Good job, dude. All right, let's go to the truck. Look, you beat that kid. Good job, dude. Good job, bro. I know I saw. Are you okay? Are you hurt? What hurts? What hurts? Dude, you look like you're sweating. What'd you say? You love the what?
The what?
You love the ruts? Dude, let me see your hands. Oh, look at all that in the sand. We're out here at Keithsburg, District 17, first Hare Scramble race. Dude, how many kids you pass, you think?
13.
Dude, you did awesome. Did you have fun? You like Hare Scrambles more than flat track?
Yeah.
You do? What about more than moto?
I love moto.
Moto's your favorite? Good job, dude.
But Hare Scramble's the second.
Heck yeah. Good freaking job, dude. You hot?
Yeah. My dirt bike, the front tire was like this, and then
Look at you, got some dirt right there.
and then the front fender was down to the ground, and then my face went on the
Oh, you hit the ground with your face? Good job, dude. You got back up right away. Did you cry or no? You did cry?
when I flew off the bike.
You flew off the bike? Did anybody see it? Did anybody help you?
Yeah. You couldn't get it to start it.
He couldn't? Did you start it?
No. You started it.
That's what took you so long. I was wondering what happened. And you fell again, huh? Did you hit a tree or something or what?
I did hit it too.
You did?
No. So there was a bumpy whoop, and my tire was bouncing on it, and then I flew off my bike.
Well, are you okay now though? That Coca-Cola helps you? Makes you feel better? Heck yeah, dude. Sure mom would be proud. Hold it up. Hold it up. Yeah, dude.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh my gosh. I was like,
Like, comment, and subscribe down below.
Oh my god, like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
comment.
Hit that like button.